Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here. You can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about Apple's new MagSafe Battery Pack. This battery pack has been rumored for some time, and Apple has finally released it. It works with MagSafe, which means it supports the entire iPhone 12 line, from the iPhone 12 mini to the 12, to the 12 Pro, and even the 12 Pro Max. And Apple's adding support via software in iOS 14.7, which, as of right now, has been released as an RC, or release candidate, and will likely hit everybody's phones before the MagSafe Battery Pack begins shipping on July 19th. Apple's MagSafe Battery Pack will connect to your phone magnetically via MagSafe, and can charge at up to 15 watts of power. If you plug it onto your phone, it'll automatically start charging. There's no buttons or anything to initiate charging, and to even check the battery status, you can do so from the battery widget on the phone. To charge the battery pack, Apple has put a Lightning port. It does not include a Lightning cable or a USB charger in the box. But if you use a higher than 20 watt Lightning cable, you can charge both the battery pack and your phone at the same time. And this is pretty cool. If you plug your iPhone in via Lightning and connect the battery pack, that one charger will charge both your iPhone and the battery pack. That's right, your iPhone can charge your MagSafe battery pack. This can be really handy if you need to connect your iPhone to something else, whether it's an output solution to go up to a display, or maybe you're using wired CarPlay. Your iPhone can go ahead and power wired CarPlay, and that Lightning connection can power your phone and the MagSafe battery pack as well. In terms of capacity, Apple's keeping things pretty simple. It's going with a 1460 mAh battery, which keeps things pretty slim. In practical use, that'll give you about a 60% charge on an iPhone 12 mini and can go up to about a 50% charge if you're rocking the massive iPhone 12 Pro Max. At a price point of $99.99 though, Apple's going for a pretty high price tag on its new MagSafe battery pack. And there are already many alternatives out there already on the market. For example, I've got a couple just happen to be in my hand. This one here from Mophie and this one here from Hyper. We've also tested them out from Anker, from Zenz. Those two also make excellent options, and many of these offer features Apple's doesn't, like the ability to turn them on and off as you please, or USB instead of Lightning, and some even offer bidirectional wireless charging where you can set something else on top or charge your MagSafe battery pack by placing it on a wireless charger. There are differences though in Apple's favor. For example, these guys here, these are all just basically Qi chargers, which means they're limited at 5 or 7.5 watts of power, whereas Apple's MagSafe battery pack can get up to 15. Regardless, there are now many options on the market for everyone. Whether you're looking for something really thin, you're looking for something a little bit more powerful, or you want to go with Apple's first-party solution that uses actual MagSafe. Let me know what you guys think. Are you excited for Apple's MagSafe battery pack, and are you going to be picking one up for your iPhone 12? Let me know over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU if you'd like to grab Apple's new battery pack or any of the alternatives that we've tested. I put links down below in the description for you, and stay tuned because I'm going to have a hands-on very soon.